Do you want to know how I transformed my YouTube studio's light with this Godox Softbox? As you can see, that has 4 key components which has costed me only 2,300 rupees. So in this video, I am going to share a DIY lighting setup that is going to be beneficial for your YouTube studio, which is very cheap. Stay tuned and watch the full video. Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you guys how to make a YouTube studio in only 2,300 rupees. Let's begin. Okay, so now let me show you what are the key components that is required to build the softbox / light setup. So first and foremost, of course, you need the Godox Softbox. I think it's called Godox SB UBW80 80cm softbox that I got only for 1,307 rupees. And on top of that, I got 5% cashback because I have Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. So I got it in 1,200 something. I'll link everything in the description box below. Now, as you can see, the lighting condition is very shitty and I'm hoping by the time I'm done with the setup, the lighting condition will improve drastically and you will see better lighting in the upcoming videos. So the Godox Softbox, so this is the softbox and I think this is the white cloth that is going to reflect the light. So I'm going to show you how to set up and everything in just a minute. And after that, the second thing that I bought is this I think it's called light stand that I got only for 249 rupees. It's 6 feet tall, it's taller than me. So I think this is going to be the light stand that is going to hold the softbox, which I'm going to show in a minute. After that, I got the E27 light bulb holder. Please note, only you need the E27 light bulb holder. The other bulb holder that you have in your home, that is not going to work. So this is the E27 light bulb holder that I got from Amazon and I think it costed me 399 rupees. And for the light, I got Havels 20 watt normal bulb. But this I did not buy from Amazon because in Amazon I think it was 429 rupees. I'll link in the description box below, you can check it out. But I got it from local electronic shop and I got it only for 360 rupees, which also has 1 year of warranty. So it's up to you whether you want to buy it from Amazon or Flipkart or from local shop. I'll link in the description box below. So I got it for 360 rupees. So this was 360 rupees. This was 399 rupees. This was only 249 rupees. And the most expensive thing in this setup is obviously going to be the light box, which I got for 1,307 rupees. Plus the 5% cashback with the Amazon Pay credit card. This is going to be the entire setup. So these are the things that you need for now to build a basic beginner level lighting setup for your YouTube studio at home. And my setup is very cost effective. It will only cost you 2,300, less than 2,500, that's for sure, no matter at what time you are watching this video. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, Rashmi, say hi.
Hi.
So now Rashmi is going to help me build this entire setup. So first and foremost, you need the, what do you call this, light stand, and then you need to fix the E27 bulb holder into this. This is the switch that will turn on the bulb. As Rashmi is fixing the setup, I just wanted to request you guys to please like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be making more such helpful videos. You can check out my freelancing series, my content writing series, and also my podcast. The light has been fixed. Now we need to fix the softbox. It looks like an umbrella. Basically, you have to mount the softbox on the stand and adjust the angle. Make sure you make the bulb facing inwards and push it as forward as you can for best reflection. Then you have to attach the diffuser in the strap given in the softbox, and within a few minutes your softbox lighting setup will be complete. Okay, so now the build is complete, as you can see. So the moment of truth. But I think since we are recording during the daytime, there is sunlight coming from there and also sunlight coming from at that window. So the light may look comparatively less, but we'll shoot it again during the night. And I think during that time, we'll really get to know about the true intensity of the light. A comparison of how the light used to look before versus how it looks now. Do check the videos on my channel. And now that the setup is complete, the first video that I'm going to shoot with this setup is the case study on Cricket World Cup and how India as a country added 22,000 crore into their economy. So do check that out on my channel. Late again. Do you want to know? Do you want to know how I transformed my YouTube studio's light? Do you?
ऐसा नहीं, do you?
So in this video, I am going to So in this video, I'm going to share a DIY